Victims in Mandeville car crash identified. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Police have identified the two men who died in a two-vehicle crash on the Winston Jones Highway near Marshall's Pen in Mandeville, Manchester yesterday. They have been identified as 36-year-old Marvin Thompson and 28-year-old Odin Hansen from Seven Corners near Santa Cruz in St. Elizabeth. Police reports are that at about 6:05 p.m., the men were traveling westerly in a Honda CR-V motor car when Thompson lost control of the vehicle while overtaking a line of traffic. The car collided with a truck that was traveling in the opposite direction. The men had to be removed from the vehicle by firefighters as they were trapped inside for a while. The roadway was cordoned off by police officers for hours as they carried out their intensive investigation. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll have an updated report to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.